How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this really quick, simple video, I'm showcasing how I easily diagnosed a misfire fault on a Hyundai Getz. Okay, so the customer complaint on this one was the vehicle was running extremely rough, underpowered, and the engine light was on. I confirmed that in the car park. I drove it straight into the workshop, underpowered, engine light on, and misfiring. Quick scan of the system showed that there was a misfire on cylinder 1, and the check I want to show you in this video is a simple one that you can utilize if you're testing this type of system. So I get my test light, I hook it up to battery negative, and with that I can then individually remove the ignition leads from the coil pack. When you're doing that type of setup, you can check the spark strength, and by utilizing this test you can confirm if the ignition coil has failed or you have a fault further down the line. And in this case, I was able to confirm that the coil pack was producing a good spark. It was showing good strength right across, and as you could see here, the test light was showcasing that. Now, the only things you need to be aware of when you're carrying out this test is you don't want to get a shock. So if you pull down on your hand too close on the ignition lead and you don't have the test light close enough, it will ground through your body. So you want to make sure that the test light is pulling that spark to ground, and that in my instance I was using pliers and of course having that test light nice and close so the spark would jump across straight away. Now, with that test done, I was able to move to the other side of the ignition leads and get down and see the fault as soon as I removed it. There was a heavy amount of water ingress in there which was causing this vehicle to misfire. I was able to rectify that quickly and easily for the customer to get this vehicle back up and running with no misfire issues. Why the water was there? Manufacturers have different designs. You can have water leaks coming through your washer jets and your pipes if there's any split or there's any drips running off there. You can also have covers missing on the top of engines, and you can have a bad designed rocker cover which just stores water on the top. If you're to go through flood, if it's heavily raining in your area, you can get a lot of those problems coming through and landing on the top of the engine. And that is it for this video, guys. A very quick diagnostic and a very quick fix. Using these simple method approaches, I was able to get this vehicle back up and running and get this customer on the road again. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.